Tornadoes, also called twisters, are very dangerous storms. There are more than 800 tornadoes in the U.S. every year. Many of these take place in an area known as Tornado Alley. Tornadoes don't last very long. They are usually between 20 seconds and an hour, but they cause a lot of damage. So what should you do if there is a tornado in your area? When there is a tornado, some scientists advise going to a basement and staying away from any windows. It's also a good idea to hide under large furniture, like a table. Most people try to stay safe. Some scientists, however, use cars with special equipment to get close to tornadoes. These storm chasers see clouds, heavy rain, hail, and lightning. They want to know more about why tornadoes happen so they can keep people safe.